So I don't usually do unboxings, but I've got something very exciting today. I just received this package from Smashbox Cosmetics and I haven't opened it yet, just so I can share this moment with you. Bam, bam, bam. So I do plan on doing a look today using these items. Sorry if I'm a bit distracted. I do have a new puppy in the room. So the look I want to do today, I'm going to try to do with all of these new delightful products I've gotten. And that look will not be with this wig I'm wearing. I just happen to have also just received it today. All right, so let's see what we've got. First we have the Mindful 5. A custom glow lip balm, which I always love. I love a lip balm that changes color. Feels delish. I hope it does like a slate pink. Ooh, we have a Harley Quinn Suicide Squad kit. This cute picture of Harley on the front. Really cute packaging. We have this Always On lipstick in Boss. Always On eyeliner and fishnet. And, ooh, this Harley Quinn Always On cream shadow. Can't wait to try that. Next up, we have a few lipsticks. We have the Be Legendary and Hot Take, Bing, and Recognize. Let's see what those look like. This is Recognize. That's cute with the X. Oh, that's really pretty. This is Bing. Very pretty. Oh, that's really nice. It's like a pinky red. Now, I used to work for Smashbox and I had their stuff in my kit forever. I still do. Ooh, this is Hot Take. That looks like a pinky. Yeah, that's like a dark, bright pink. I love it. I'm so excited because I have some new concealers here. Oh yes, we have 3 different colors of concealer. I got the colors Fair Light Neutral, Fair Light Warm Peach, and Light Cool. Because you know I like to mix and match. A new primer, you know I love my primer. I got Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer in Fair Light. You know I love a tinted moisturizer. Ooh, Vitamin Glow Primer. All right, we'll try that today. My skin's been very dry from all the costume makeup, so hopefully that will help. We have Studio Skin Foundation in 1.0. That's a nice little bottle with a pump. And the Halo Photo Finish Setting Powder in shade 1. I do remember this product and I really like it. And I like, looks like a lens, so cute. And then it stays very, very clean. You do like a twist and it dispenses. So you don't end up with powder everywhere. Then we have Los Angeles and Michelada. It's this beautiful shimmery gloss. Oh, we have 2 palettes. I love their blushes. I still use them to this day. Ones I've had for probably like 10 years. Okay, this one's called Cali Kiss Highlight and Blush Palette. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this. It's gonna be perfect for the look today. This one's called Cali Contour. Bum, bum, bum. Gorge. So, oh, one more. We have more. This is Always On Cream Shadow in Guava. Never tried the cream shadows. I'm very excited too. That's really pretty.